Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to update Intel graphics driver. So let's get started. If you want to update your Intel graphics driver, so to do that what you have to do is just simply tap on the Windows key in your keyboard and then search for device manager. After searching for device manager, now what you can do is just simply tap on this option which is display adapters and then tap on Intel UHD graphics. And after tapping on that, now you just have to tap on drivers and then tap on update driver. After doing that, just simply tap on search automatically for drivers. And after searching for that, now if you find this message with the best driver for your device are already installed, that means you don't have to update your driver is already updated. But if it's not, then you will start updating your driver. So that's it guys, this is how to update Intel graphics driver. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.